Guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, we'll be learning how to code in Python. This is my first video in the Python course. In this video, we'll just be writing our first program and setting up your IDE and Python and all. So first things first, you have to download Python. You can find the latest download at python.org. Right here you can just go to downloads and click here. It will give you the latest download according to your OS, and just install it as if it was a game. It's really easy. And then you need an IDE to code in Python. An IDE is an integrated development environment. This is basically a program which makes it easier for you to code by color coding and giving you automatic suggestions and all. I recommend something called Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. Right here you can just install it. It's also really easy to install. So yeah, I'll be using that, but I already have VS Code here. This is actually a code space from GitHub. It's an online way you can use VS Code. So here I have my VS Code. First things first, when you open VS Code, you'll have to click on this extensions tab over here, and then you have to I'll just install this. Install the Python extension by clicking on this button. Install it. If it shows the reload required, just click on this. Alright. After you have installed the Python extension, you can just search Python, and then the extension should come. If you want more, you can install the Python extension pack also. But after that is done, you can come over here, create press this button to create a new file. I've created the file called main.py. Okay, so you have to include main.py. Now, one tip I'm going to give you in VS Code, you can click on this gear icon, go to settings and search zoom. Zoom, and just check this. So when you go to your file and press Control and move your mouse wheel, this will actually zoom. That's really helpful. But less talking, let us get to our program. So this is my Python file, and we can write our program here. So I'll just write this program which is going to print hello world to the console. So I'll write print, see it's showing me suggestions, brackets, parentheses on both sides, yeah, like that. And inside this, since hello world is a text string, you are going to enclose that in double quotes or single quotes, so like this, and your string here. So it will be hello comma world this. Now you can just click on this run button here, and this should run. See, we have hello world in the console. So this was just a basic Python program. You can experiment with this on your own until the next video comes out. The print statement is a function in Python. It prints data onto the console like this. You can just put any data here. You can also put a number here without the double quotes. For numbers, double quotes isn't needed, but for text, double quotes is needed. Texts are known as strings in programming. So yeah, you can also print numbers, decimal numbers, and other data. It's really easy. Python, it's really good for beginners. Experiment on your own until the next video comes out. I will bring variables and data types in the next video because they are an essential part of programming. See you next time. Craftyryte out.